What's up, Mavericks? If you run a business with employees, workers' compensation insurance isn't optional, it's mandatory in most states. And while it may feel like just another box to check, the provider you choose matters more than you think. The wrong one can leave you with slow claim support, confusing billing, or coverage gaps that show up exactly at the wrong time. Today, I'm counting down the 6 best workers' comp insurance providers for small businesses, including what each one does well, where it falls short, and who it's actually built for. All of these picks are based on coverage options, pricing transparency, claims experience, and overall ease of use. So let's break it down, starting with number 6. Travelers is a major player in business insurance, offering workers' comp and a full range of commercial policies. It's best for larger businesses or more complex operations, especially where claims aren't always straightforward. With over 2,000 claims professionals and 500 plus in-house medical staff supporting its workers' comp program, that's a level of support most providers just can't match. When a claim comes in, Travelers' in-house team manages it from start to finish. It has specialized units for severe or high-value claims, and medical professionals who work directly with injured employees to coordinate care and support their return to work. For businesses in industries where injuries can be serious, you can't beat that depth of support. On the billing side, Travelers offers a pay-as-you-go option that links your workers' comp premiums directly to your actual payroll. Instead of estimating your payroll at the start of the year and settling up at audit time, you pay based on what you're actually running each period. It's a more accurate way to manage the cost, and it reduces the risk of a large reconciliation bill at the end of the year. The trade-off with Travelers is accessibility. It's not the fastest or most self-serve option on the list, and smaller businesses with basic needs may find there are lighter, more straightforward options that fit just as well. But for businesses with more complex operations, higher employee counts, or industries where workers' comp claims tend to be significant, Travelers is built for exactly that. Up next is another big name in the insurance game. Progressive is known as one of the country's largest commercial auto insurers. And if your business depends on vehicles like delivery drivers, service technicians, contractors, or transportation companies, being able to bundle your workers' comp and commercial auto coverage under one provider is a real advantage. You're dealing with fewer providers and potentially scoring better pricing when you bundle your policies. Now, Progressive doesn't underwrite its workers' comp policies directly. Instead, it operates through its Advantage Business program, which connects you with a network of insurance carriers to find the right coverage for your business. That structure means more options, but it also means the experience can vary depending on which carrier ends up underwriting your policy. The quoting process is available online, and you'll be presented with multiple options to compare. In terms of pricing, Progressive says that most new customers pay around $80 per month for workers' comp, but your actual cost will depend on your industry, payroll, and claims history, as it does with any provider. Progressive works best for businesses that are already using or planning to use Progressive Commercial Auto and want to consolidate their coverage in one place. Our number 4 pick is Nationwide, another familiar name in insurance. Nationwide is one of the 10 largest commercial insurers in the country, and it's earned a reputation for how it handles claims. That matters a lot when it comes to workers' comp. When an employee gets hurt, how fast and how well your insurer responds has real consequences for the employee, your business operations, and your long-term premium costs. Nationwide offers 24/7 nurse triage, so injured employees can connect with a medical professional immediately after an incident, not the next business day. Dedicated claims adjusters stay involved throughout the process and maintain regular contact. There's also a structured return to work program that helps coordinate an employee's transition back, including modified duty if needed. Getting injured workers back to productive work faster is better for everyone, and Nationwide has built tools to support that. Beyond claims, Nationwide brings solid risk management resources to the table. The company's library of safety tools and resources helps businesses reduce the likelihood of incidents in the first place, which can have a meaningful impact on your premiums over time. Nationwide also ranked highest among small commercial insurance in J.D. Power's most recent U.S. small commercial insurance study, which is a strong signal of overall customer satisfaction. Nationwide's quoting process requires working through an agent rather than completing everything online, which slows things down, compared to the more digital-first options on this list. But if claims support and long-term service quality are your top priorities, the extra work is worth it. Next up is Thimble, a company known for flexible, on-demand insurance. And it's that flexibility that makes it a good fit for independent contractors, freelancers, and self-employed professionals who need workers' comp coverage but don't fit the mold of a traditional employer. If you're an independent contractor, most states don't legally require you to carry workers' comp, but there are plenty of situations where you'll want it anyway. Some clients require it as a condition of the contract. Some projects carry enough physical risk that relying on personal health insurance alone isn't enough. And if you bring subcontractors onto a job, you may be legally required to cover them regardless of what your state requires for solo operators. If you're in one of these situations, Thimble makes it easy to get covered. You can get a quote online in minutes, and the platform covers a wide range of industries. Pricing tends to be competitive for contractors specifically, especially in construction trades, installation work, and outdoor services where larger insurers charge higher rates. Availability can vary by state, so it's worth checking your specific location. Before you sign up, there are a few things to keep in mind. Thimble doesn't offer phone support, so all customer service goes through chat or email, and Thimble doesn't manage claims directly. Your policy is underwritten by a third party, and claims are handled by that carrier's process. For most straightforward claims, that's totally fine, but it's worth understanding up front that Thimble is more of a front-end platform than a full-service insurer. It's not for everyone, but for independent contractors who need flexibility, affordable coverage, especially for project-based work, Thimble is a strong option. The number 2 spot goes to ERGO Next Business Insurance, formerly known as Next Insurance, and now operating as part of ERGO Group following a recent acquisition. If the reason you've been putting off getting workers' comp is that the process seems complicated or time-consuming, ERGO Next is the most direct answer to that. The whole experience is built around getting small business owners covered as fast as possible. You can get a quote online, activate coverage, and download a certificate of insurance all in a matter of minutes. No agents, no phone calls, and no waiting. And it gets even better. Workers' comp through ERGO Next starts at $14 per month for some low-risk businesses, which makes it one of the more accessible entry points on this list. As with any provider, your actual cost depends on your industry, payroll, and claims history. But the starting point is extremely competitive, and if you need other policies, you'll get an automatic 10% discount when you bundle. ERGO Next also has a great mobile app that lets you manage your policy, access your certificate of insurance instantly, and track claims notifications all from your phone. If you're running your operations from a phone and not just behind a desk, that makes a huge difference. ERGO Next also holds an A+ superior rating from AM Best, so it's financially stable and in a strong position to pay out claims when needed. ERGO Next is designed for small to mid-sized businesses, so if your operation is large or has complex insurance needs, you'll likely need a more full-service provider. But for small businesses that want to get covered quickly from a reputable insurer, ERGO Next is hard to beat. Now, if you want the best overall option, our top spot on the list goes to the Hartford. The Hartford has been in the insurance business for over 200 years. This isn't just about longevity, it's the depth of industry knowledge, the breadth of coverage, and the combination of digital convenience and genuine service quality that makes it the strongest overall choice for small businesses. Getting a quote is fast. Most small businesses can complete the entire online process in about 10 minutes and receive a quote. For workers' comp specifically, the Hartford does encourage a phone call to get final coverage details, but the overall process is streamlined compared to many traditional carriers. For pricing, policies start as low as $13 a month for lower risk businesses. The company states that most of its customers with less than $300,000 in annual payroll pay an average of $81 per month for workers' comp. Your actual costs will vary, but those figures give you a reasonable benchmark. The Hartford also offers a pay-as-you-go billing option that ties your premium payments directly to your actual payroll cycle, so you're not estimating your annual payroll up front and reconciling later. When it comes to coverage, the Hartford supports a wide range of industries from retail and professional services to construction and healthcare, and workers' comp policies include the core benefits you'd expect. medical expenses, lost wages, disability benefits, and even coverage for retraining costs if an injured employee can return to their original role. Workers' comp can also be bundled with other Hartford policies, including general liability and a business owner's policy with potential discounts for doing so. Customer satisfaction scores are strong, and the Hartford consistently earns high marks from policyholders for the quality of its claims experience. For small businesses that want a provider they can genuinely rely on, not just one that's easy to sign up with, the Hartford delivers on both fronts, and that's why it takes the top spot. If you're ready to learn more about the Hartford, head to the link in the description to get started with the quote. It's free, it's easy, and it only takes a few minutes. So that rounds out the list, covering everything from self-employed individuals to bigger businesses with complex insurance needs. Even if one policy sounds like the best fit, I recommend getting quotes from multiple companies to compare pricing, but your monthly premium shouldn't be the only thing you consider. Customer support, an easy claims process, and great coverage are just as important, if not more so. And if you have other business insurance needs or want to keep exploring your options, make sure to check out our video on the best small business insurance companies. That link is in our description too. Workers' comp is one of those things you hope you never need to use, but getting it right means you're covered when it matters most. Thanks for watching, Mavericks, and I'll see you in the next video.